we are back with another
another race.
So today, you guys, since you like our races so much, we're trying to come up with different ways to race each other for your entertainment.
So we thought,
Yes.
cereal.
Yeah.
I can generally eat a fair bit of cereal.
I was like, we were trying to figure out like how many scoops we should put in our fishbowl, and I was like 2 scoops or maybe 3. Maybe that's too much. And then Aaron shows me this like
A giant salad bowl.
A giant salad bowl. He goes, babe, this used to be my bowl when I was little. I was like,
I used to eat literally half a box of cereal.
I'm like, well,
Right.
that's yeah, you have an advantage, I guess.
Yes.
You know. So anyways, today we got Rice Krispie, we got corn pops, we got
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Is that French? Is that
Yeah,
why
it's the
I'm
French side, that's why. There you go.
Okay, and Fruit Loops. So I honestly love Rice Krispies and I love corn pops. However,
Me too.
However, these two mixed with one of these is the ones that I don't want.
Yes.
Would be kind of to me because there's just so much sugar. Like I do not want cinnamon crunch
I love the taste of Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
by itself.
By itself, it is a delicious cereal. Same with Reese's Peanut Butter Cups too, by the
yeah.
way. That's a delicious one too, but it's not here. Anyway, but it is very sugary.
Yeah, it's so sugary.
But I actually really don't like Fruit Loops.
I love Fruit Loops.
I will go out on a limb and say I dislike Fruit Loops.
See, growing up, I used to want Fruit Loops in the house so bad. Like we didn't have cereal growing up we didn't have cereal at all in our cupboards when we were growing up. So every time we would sleep over at like you know, my mom's like husband back then, so our aunt's house, she would feed us cereal, and we're just like, oh yes, dessert for breakfast.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? Like, so I've always wanted Fruit Loops because she would feed us Fruit Loops, and yeah,
That is what it is. It's dessert for breakfast.
It's dessert for breakfast.
Like, I can't believe people, like, I can't believe I used to have this before going to school. It's like,
whole
let's
bowl.
get hyped up on sugar and then send them off to school.
And then crash.
Yeah, and then crash.
Yeah. So anyways, let's do this.
Okay.
Let's do this. You guys, wish me luck, because I mean, yes, our giant bowl is a fish bowl.
Yes.
Fish bowl. So
It's a big bowl.
It is a big bowl.
Yeah.
So I guess let's just start opening
Okay,
this.
let's open her up.
And then
Fruit Loops. Oh, Rice Krispies. Corn Pops.
we're both gonna put this in our bowl anyways, right?
Yes, yeah.
So
Well,
how-
actually, they look pretty good right there.
They don't look as colorful as
That's the box.
That's the box.
Yeah.
So how should we do this then? You don't want. So how do we like decide? Or should we just mix all of them in our bowl?
Well, we could just be evil people and just do the one we don't want to do.
Like you actually like this. You want to do this with these 3,
Yeah. How about that?
and I do this
Sure.
with these 3.
Yeah. It'll make it harder.
Yeah. Or should we just
Do the ones we want to do.
do the ones we want to do? Like.
What should we do for the sake of entertainment?
Oh gosh. No. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do these 3.
Okay.
Okay.
And I'll do these 3.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have a little thing to measure them so they're all the same. We have 2 exact same. Whoa. This is going to be a lot of cereal, actually. Yeah! So 1 cup. Let's smell it.
I love Fruit Loops.
That's not what I thought when I smelled it.
Oh my god.
But to
You
each his
smell
own.
like it's like,
It smells like a party.
hey, it's not wool.
Yeah.
Put those extra ones in there. There you go. Whoa. Scissors, please. Thank you. Oh, wow. Those look delicious. Mine's overflowing. Well, be careful with the Rice Krispies because they're pretty. I want to put it back in the bag. Wow. And where is it here? Corn. No, mine overflowing.
Dude, that's a lot of cereal, man. Oh my god, and we have our gigantic spoon. Okay, so milk. How much milk should we do? One of these?
I'm gonna put one more scoop of Rice Krispies in mine.
Yes! Just to be fair.
Just to be
You
fair.
are bigger.
I think we should come to some sort of terms where we think that it will be a more fair raise. Because some people are just like, well, it's not fun because you always win. And it's like, well, it's true because some people are like, you have to be fair. And it's like, well, it's not really fair because...
Well, I mean...
Can you pass me the Rice Krispies?
Yeah, we are as fair as we can be. I mean,
I raced you and your sister with the grapes and I won. I ate twice as much as you guys. Like...
True.
You know,
True.
like...
I was just gonna say, well, I mean... You know, just because you're bigger doesn't mean your stomach's bigger.
But it is.
But it is.
Yeah.
So, there's that. Here's the milk.
I think we should just put in as much milk as we want. Because I actually want more milk than that.
See, but that's the problem. I don't want more milk because you have to finish the milk too.
I know, but see, I put more Rice Krispies in, so now I have to put more milk in.
Sure. Yeah, because you have to finish the milk too.
I know. I love milk.
More. Oh, well, whatever.
It's right up to the little part where it's gonna drip out. Oh, God. This is a disaster.
Okay.
Oh, like, look, that is not enough milk.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh,
That's already 2 cups.
see, I'm one of those people that likes to drown my cereal.
Yeah, me too. Are you one of those who put cereal first or milk first?
Oh, cereal first. Who puts milk first?
Okay, go. Stop.
Don't be careful, just pour as much as you want.
Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Look at that.
See, this is perfect milk. I put... Oh my gosh, you guys.
That's a lot of cereal.
That is a lot of cereal. Oh, man.
This is gonna be hard.
The spoon's not even gonna fit in my mouth.
You're gonna tap out. You watch, I'm gonna get all the way almost done and you're gonna be like, I've had too much.
Yeah, but I'm usually pretty close.
You are. I'm just teasing you.
Do you like your cereal soggy?
Yes.
I don't. Okay, are you ready?
She's one of those.
You ready? My Rice Krispies is gonna be rice now, like warm rice.
Warm rice.
Warm rice.
Me and my big mouth. Well, I'll just put in another cup.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, I'm ready. Are you ready? Okay. Remember, you gotta finish the milk too. And every little bit pieces on like your bowl there.
Okay, big talker. Please.
Oh gosh.
Okay.
Okay. I'm sitting sideways so
This is gonna take us like 43 minutes.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. What? How? Wow.
Yeah, I do not like Fruit Loops. Oh, I can't even get the milk.
Oh.
Oh, there we go. I got this.
I got this right now. The spoon's too big. We underestimated. Overestimated.
It's too big.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It's like, yours looks so much prettier.
I'll trade if you want.
Yeah.
The Fruit Loops aren't bad, but
Cinnamon Crunch are.
so good.
It's like too cinnamony. That work?
You just made it. Those Reese's peanut butter cups, though, that was the other one we were debating on. It's a good one.
Come on.
You're really shoveling it in there.
I wish I had a smaller spoon.
Yeah, me too.
Not fair, you can fit the whole spoon in your mouth.
No, I can't.
You just did.
Let's see.
What? You just did. Oh my God.
But no, you're way ahead. Because we're both chewing the same amount.
You're chewing more.
A little bit.
Mine's the corn pops.
This one's going all in. Let's give a side view. See how, let them see how much you actually take off of there.
Oh.
It smells so good.
What, mine?
Yeah, clean those edges. This is delicious. You okay?
Wow.
She has to choke at least once every video.
No, but this one went down the wrong pipe.
Oh, really? Maybe take a break for a second.
Oh, God.
These are good spoons for cleaning the edges, though. I'm like really full already. Dessert for dinner.
It's a hack. Oh my God.
I love it when you can see defeat start on her face. You totally can too. It's like
But like, look.
the chewing gets slower. Oh, I know. Oh yeah.
This is corn pops, man.
I know. They're still hard.
Wow. All I can taste
Cinnamon.
cinnamon crunch.
All I can taste is fake fruit. We've got a couple scoops left here.
I can smell it. It smells really good.
Yeah, kind of like your cinnamon. When you're not eating it, it smells delicious.
Wow. Oh man! Oh!
What's that Queen song that I love so much?
Oh my god.
I think it's called We Are the Champions.
I have to tell you guys that story. Okay, you win.
Oh, I'm gonna finish it anyway because I'm not a quitter.
I'm not a quitter, you just won already.
Yeah, but this is actually delicious because all the Fruit Loops are gone now.
So, oh, I think I'm gonna.
Might as well drink this.
So, from our last race, what was it? What race was it that? Oh, the bubble tea race.
Oh, bubble tea race.
The bubble tea race. I was in the theater room, and all I hear is, "I am a champion." No, how's it go?
We are the champions.
Oh,
She's like, what's that music?
I'm like, what's that music coming from? And then I go out and look. Aaron's like playing
Playing the YouTube video.
Playing the YouTube video, and he comes in. She's like, "We are champion." I was like, wow.
I was pretty happy about that one.
Wow. Good job, babe. Again. Maybe we should do some sort of spicy noodle race. So
I'll do a spicy noodle.
No, but see, the thing is though, but then it's like, then it's kind of like not fair, right?
Well, it's not fair right now.
No, I know, but like you can't even like eat spicy food.
Well, not like, I'm not talking like one chip challenge spicy.
No, I know.
That would just be like, I'd be like, okay, one bite, and I'd be like, no, like I'm done. Like, I know, I'm full. No, thank you.
No way.
Oh, we'll try a scoop of yours though.
Wow. See, like, okay, this is fat.
Yeah, you're right.
Cinnamon.
Too much cinnamon.
Too much cinnamon.
Too much of a good thing. Yeah. You're right. But see, that's also why I was like, when I chose, when I was like, oh, I'll do an extra scoop. That's why I picked Rice Krispies. Because they're so small.
You balanced out the sweetness from the Rice Krispies?
That's why I didn't pick these ones, because they're so big and they're so hard. And I was like, oh, Rice Krispies, they're so soft. But still the same amount.
I should have done all Rice Krispies.
Woulda, coulda, shoulda.
Woulda, shoulda, coulda.
Yeah. I'm really full now, though.
Yeah, I'm pretty full.
That was what, 4? How much? I don't even know how much. That doesn't even go up as high on this.
So it's 3 cups. You put 4.
Well, there's no measurement up to the
Right
very
here.
top.
Oh, so it's right here. Look, 1 cup is right there.
Yeah.
So that's
1.5.
half. 1.5 cup.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Wow.
1.25 or whatever.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a lot.
I'm like really full.
I have an idea. Why don't you guys tell us what you want us to race on? How about that?
And what do you think is fair?
Yeah.
Like,
I don't
do you
know.
think it's fair that I eat a bit more and then it balances out? Like, and we kind of work it out to, okay, what do you think is fair? Like, because I do.
Or a race, like, we could eat like a pie or something with no hands. Or some sort of cake with no hands.
That would be a good one.
No hand challenge. That would be.
Or I could just feed you the cake with my hands and you try and eat it. You ever seen those people that sit behind you and you're like, "Mah."
Oh, like you're my hand?
Yeah,
Oh.
that's awesome. I just rub it in there.
Yeah, you would.
I'm just thinking about being mean.
Yeah, exactly. Wow. I thought so.
It's in my
I
eyes.
thought so. It's in my nose. I can't breathe.
Race over.
But anyways, you guys, let us know what kind of races you are like interested in seeing us do, or what you think would be fun and fair. Doesn't even have to be fair. How about just fun?
Please, no more Bean Boozled though.
No, yeah, that one was really bad.
Those are really gross.
Really, really bad. I mean, oh, they came out with a spicy version.
Really?
Yeah, but I don't know. I haven't seen it on the shelf, so. But
We'll look for it.
yeah. But yeah, so I guess.
All I can think is how full I am.
Yeah, pretty full.
I'm like so full.
So full.
Please, no one do that. No one eat that much.
So that's like 4-5 cups.
It's like half a bag of cereal.
It is.
If not more.
In
like
one sitting.
There's the corn pops.
Oh yeah.
And it was like it wasn't full to the top, but it was pretty full.
True.
And that's just 2 of them. Because we each had those, so.
There's 3 bags of those.
Yeah. So that's like half a bag of cereal. Delicious dinners.
Delicious. But yeah, you guys.
I look forward to seeing these. I'm really interested in seeing what people think would be a good and interesting race.
Yeah, let us know in the comments.
Yeah.
Until next time. Mwah! Bye.
Bye-bye.